do you create a digital planner in 2024? So there are some updates on Canva, but the biggest thing is to realize what people are looking for. And if you're going to go to Etsy and look at all the planners that are available, you'll see that all these big planners, they have their sellers usually. Now, is it worth it to still sell these planners? For sure. But in this video, I want to show you something that a lot of people don't do. So if you are an Etsy seller, you definitely have heard before that you should have a niche. So whether it's digital planners or something else, you need to be more specific. Now, the way I see Etsy, or the way you see SEO in general, SEO, by the way, meaning just how people find you on Google, or search engine optimization, but basically just helping Google to find your business. So in that case, you will find that most likely you need to create multiple digital products that have those keywords. In that way, your shop looks more reliable to Google, more reliable to Etsy, all that great stuff. Now, the biggest problem you're gonna have is how can you create that many products so quickly? And honestly, it's not that easy, but I think I found a solution and I want to share it with you. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to Canva, because that's where we're creating our planner. You could create it somewhere else if that's what you want to do, but for me, that's where I'm going to go. And we're going to type in digital planner. Now you can type in whatever you want, but basically that's what it is. You will have a selection of pre-made templates. Some of them are paid versions, so just keep in mind that if it's paid, you can't use them. I mean, you can use them, but you have to pay for them. But the biggest thing is that you need to make changes to these digital planners, and the bigger the changes, the better. So make sure that you make changes, otherwise you can get in trouble. So we're gonna go with this one, 2023, or if you want, you can find one with 2024. So again, it's up to you. Basically what I do is I open a new window and then I just see what's going on with the planner. So this one is minimalist style planner. It has a lot of different pages that you can look at and you can create. And I like that there's more of a selection. Now over here, I can choose the size of the planner that I want to use, or I can customize my own template. Either way, and here you have more choices. So we're gonna choose customize my own template. Now the big thing is that your size has to be the correct size. So you would click resize and magic switch and make sure that the size is right. So for you need a letter size. Usually that's the most common size that people use, that is perfectly good for GoodNotes. So then you choose this and copy and resize and make sure that, and then you just open. If you don't have Canva Pro, that means that this part will not be possible for you in the free version. But what you can do is you can create a new planner, choose a custom size here, and then just copy and paste all the pages. So that works. So I'm just gonna copy this page. You can select the page as well. So just copy everything that you want to copy, or maybe you don't want to copy some parts, that's fine. The way you copy, I just, because I'm using Mac, I use Command and letter C. But for you, you can also just right click and copy. So we go here. Okay, I chose a document. I don't know why I did that to myself. No, you don't need a document. I need a new design, and I need, let's do custom, and let's just do everything correctly. So I'm just gonna type in letter and then choose this. So easier. So I go here and I upload the thing, and then I can just choose the pages that I had before. So for example, this one, I copy and I paste it over here. So now we have the page. So either way, whether you have Pro version or not, you can do this easily. So now we have the planner over here. The biggest thing I want you to take out is that we need a specific niche. So for example, let's create a moon calendar or a manifestation calendar. So whether you believe in this or not, it's better if you believe in this, I guess, if you're creating it. But either way, you just would say manifest or something like that for a journal, and you would create that what you want to create. Here you could type in moon, for example, and just choose different things that you can use. So for example, I'm just going to copy this, and then I can get inspiration for these icons, or I can add icons as well, type in moon and then add the icons where I want to add them. So I can just do something like this and add the icon here, and I can change the colors as well to make it more interesting. So we're going to do something like this, and then for the pink, let's go with, let's say, darker color and something like this. So very simple, very easy. That's what we do. And we need to create multiple pages. So I'm going to delete this one, but we have other pages for us that could inspire us. So we can just add all these different pages, change the fonts and so on. So for example, I can change the font over here, go to text and just choose a different one. Go to, let's say, to whichever font I like, let's say Montserrat, and I can just change that. Can change this to something else as well, and you can select change all, so then it makes it easier for you to make changes. And let's say I like this, so then I will just do it like that, and we have a very minimalist kind of style planner over here. You can change the background of the pages. The more changes, the better. Now, the important thing you need to know about digital planners is how you add the tabs. So to add the tabs, you need to create elements first. So we're gonna go to elements here, and then we just choose whichever shape you want. So let's say I like this shape, I clicked on it, and then I can add my tab over here. So I just choose this, and then I rotate and add it over here. So we're gonna go here and change the color. Let's say we choose dark colors here, and we add multiple tabs that we want. Now this depends on how many pages you will decide to create. Don't worry about making it too tidy here. I mean, you could, but either way, you can always select this and then change the position over here. So align it vertically or however you want. Now let's say I like my tabs to be over here, and now the important part is how to add the hyperlink. So just click on the tab over here, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna click these three dots, and then you're gonna choose link. And now I can choose all my pages that I want to link to. So for example, this is my home page, so let's say I want to link it to the first page that I have. So we're gonna click over here, click link, and then choose the untitled second page. You can always title all your pages if that makes it easier for you. So I'm gonna add another one, link, and add it to the third page. And do the same with all of them so that all the pages are linked. So I do it with the fourth and then the fifth. And after you do it with all the pages, I'm going to show you what you do next. So I'm going to do it like that, and the sixth and the seventh. So there's still more pages on this planner, but I'm just going to do this for now. Now, after you do this, and now I have all my links over here, you can see them, I will just copy these buttons and paste it, click on the page and paste it on all the pages so that from all the pages it can be selected. So we're going to do that, and let's say this one I didn't plan to do. You can actually purchase a template that I have so that you wouldn't have to create all of this, and you could be secure that everything can be used. So all the icons, everything is copyright free. Like I give you permissions to do whatever you want with the template, and all the icons are painted by me, so you don't have to worry about anything. So you can do that if you want, and then choose a custom template and then mix and match and create your own planners with different themes. So maybe you're creating one for astrology, maybe you're creating one for self-care, maybe you create one for gratitude, maybe you create one for as a mood tracker. Again, you need to research Etsy before you make these creations, and then just adjust to the template you want to use. So what we're gonna do now is we can share this and download. And the most important thing is that you don't choose flattened PDF and that you choose PDF standard. Otherwise, your planner links will not work. So all you do is download, and you can upload this file to your planner. I have another video that explains how you can upload this exact file to Etsy in case your file is too large. You also have to keep in mind that Canva has limitations, and you will not be able to upload really large files. So for example, if you want to create a really big planner, it's just not going to work. In case you do want to create a big planner, I do have a separate video for that as well. You're going to find it in the notes, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions whatsoever. I'll try my best to answer them. Thank you, and good luck with your planners.